Hello, my name is Sofia Frodinska-Kolchuk and I'm an IT lawyer. This is my personal blog regarding IT legal news that may impact IT business which provides services in the EU, UK and the USA. Today I would like to talk regarding legal analysis of terms of use of different AI coding tools. AI regulation is a very hot topic this year due to widespread usage of AI tools in the business. Let's go. First of all, what is the definition of AI? Due to Article 3 definitions of proposal for the EU AI Act, artificial intelligence system means software that is developed with one or more of the techniques and approaches listed in the Annex 1 and can, for a given set of human-defined objectives, generate outputs such as content, predictions, recommendations, or decisions influencing the environments they interact with. Due to definitions of recommendation of the OECD on artificial intelligence, AI system is a machine-based system that can, for a given set of human-defined objectives, make predictions, recommendations, or decisions influencing real or virtual environments. AI systems are designed to operate with varying levels of autonomy. AI system lifecycle phases involve design, data and models, which is a context-dependent sequence encompassing planning and design, data collection and processing, as well as model building, verification and validation, deployment and operation and monitoring. I would like to talk more regarding analysis of terms of use of different AI coding tools. In my opinion, there are 5 main sections which shall be legally reviewed. First of all, it's privacy on input content. It's main code of the developer user of AI coding tool. Ownership on output content suggestions. It's the code which is suggested by the AI tool. References on licenses, for example, on which licenses are used in the suggestions, permissive licenses or copyleft licenses or proprietary licenses otherwise. The 4th section, usage of content for learning or service improvement. And the 5th section, level of security of AI tool. Then I will talk more about clarifying questions. Privacy on input content. Will your code stay private? Can, for example, AI tool store or share your code to any third party, for example, to another user of AI tool? Will your code be suggested to other users of AI tool? Ownership on output content. Suggestions. Who retain ownership on your code? Which type of license the tool grant to user on suggestions? And is AI tool using the suggestions to improve the service? The 3rd section, it's references on licenses. Does AI tool identify which types of licenses it uses for the suggestions? Does AI tool use only open source code with permissive licenses for training of AI tool? Does AI tool have an open source code scanner to check open source copyleft licenses in the suggestions? The 4th section, usage of content for AI learning or service improvement. Is AI tool using the input content, your code or suggestions for AI tool training? Is AI tool using the input content, your code or suggestions for service improvement? Does AI tool delete the input content, your code after suggestion generation? And the 5th section, it's level of security of AI tool. Clarifying question first. Does AI tool encrypt your code while sending it to the AI tool? It does in transit. Does AI tool have the security scan to reveal security issues? And does AI tool have any information security certifications on the website, for example? Thank you for your attention. I'm an IT lawyer from Ukraine. That is why I ask you to support Ukraine. And if you support Ukraine, please donate money to the following funds. It's International Charitable Foundation Come Back Alive. You can donate money following this link, or to special account to raise funds for Ukraine's armed forces. You can donate money at the following link. Thank you once more for your attention. Stand with Ukraine, support Ukraine.